Iamdejahair here. Today we will be installing a synthetic wig. These are the products that you will need. Everything that you see here, you can get it from your local beauty supply store. Okay, so the wig that we're going to be installing today is the Butta Lace Unit 2, and the color is 1B. This is how it looks when it comes directly out of the package. It has a lot of body. It is very full. I really like it. It's very cute. Okay, this is how it looks. Now that's me. This is my hat that I wear when it's time to get my hair done. This is what I use for my edges to slick it back, because I do have some old braids, but I just needed my edge to be slicked back. You want to start with getting some alcohol and rubbing down your hairline to make sure you get all unnecessary dirt, oils out of your hair. Alright, now here's me again. It's time to go ahead and install this unit. Now the inside of this unit is an adjustable cap that was made by the manufacturer. This wig is constructed as a T-part frontal unit, which means they give you lace from ear to ear, but it can only be worn as a middle part. I cannot do a side part. We are going to be using lace tint today. This is in the shade medium brown. You want to go ahead and shake it, and you want to spray it all on the lace. Okay, you can put as much as you would like. I only put a little bit. Next time I will put a little bit more. Once you spray that on, you want to go ahead and blow dry it so you can lock that color in. After that, you want to go ahead and install the wig. Okay, so I am just going to put the wig on my head. I did have a black cap on, but I did take the black cap off. Okay, my braids are a little bit old, so I took the black cap off because it does come with the cap underneath. No cap is needed. Now you want to have your hot comb on the lowest setting. So I put mine on 200, and you just want to hot comb the hair backwards. Okay, you want to get it out of the way so we can go ahead and lay the lace down. Okay, once you get it hot comb back, you want to go ahead and grab some clips and clip your hair. So you want to clip one side, and then we're going to move to the other side and clip that side. Okay, we don't want any hair in our way as we are securing the wig down. Now you want to go ahead and position the wig how you want it to fit. So you want to see exactly how far up you want it and make sure it is covering your hairline. You want to grab your comb, make sure that part is centered in the middle of your nose, and then we are going to go ahead and make 2 slits in the front. So it's like we're working with 3-part closure. Okay, we are going to be using this holding spray. Okay, you want to go ahead and shake that up. Anything you use, you really want to go ahead and shake it up, wake it up. Okay, now we are going to start with the center piece. You want to go ahead and pull it backwards, and we are going to spray 3 layers each. Okay, so we are going to spray it. Okay, you want to make sure that you do spray enough, because we are going to blow dry it, and then we're going to do another layer. Okay, so this is my first layer. Now we're going to go ahead and blow dry it. It is going to get tacky. Okay, you want it to get tacky. Once it gets tacky, you can go ahead and spray your next layer. Okay, you want to make sure you are spraying enough, because we want the wig to be very, very, very secure so it can last a few days. Okay, it's not glue, it's just holding spray. So after that second layer, you want to go ahead and blow dry it again. Okay, 2 might be enough for you, but I went ahead and did 3. Okay, I see that it's tacky. I can get it tacky just a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and spray my final layer. Okay, it is a little bit cold, so yeah. You want to go ahead and use your finger if you need to spread it out, just in case when you did spray it didn't get everywhere. Go ahead, do that, and then you're going to blow dry it. Once you did your 3 layers, you want to go ahead and pull that lace forward. Okay, you want to pull the lace forward. Make sure that the center is still aligning to your nose. Okay, we don't want to move that part from the center. Okay, and you want to take your comb, and you just want to comb backwards, but make sure you're raking your scalp. okay? We want to make sure that it is on the scalp, okay? We are going to be using a blow dryer once we bring the lace down, just to make sure that it gets secure, okay? Now you want to move to the next side. Yes, we want to move to the next side, and we're going to repeat the same thing that we did in the middle, okay? You want to spray your first layer, blow dry it, spray the next layer again, blow dry it, spray it your final time, blow dry it, okay? You are blow drying it until it gets tacky, okay? Once you finish all of your layers, you are going to pull the wig forward, okay? That is what you're going to do. I'm doing this on this side, and then I'm going to follow the same steps on the opposite side. Once you finish blow drying and securing the perimeter, you want to go ahead and put on an edge wrap or a piece of elastic. Then you want to go ahead and blow dry that, okay? You want to make sure that it is stuck to your scalp. So you just want to go ahead and blow dry it. Once it is blow dry, you want to take off your edge wrap, and you want to take out the clips, and you want to pull the hair backwards, because now we are about to hot comb the hair. Now, we're not just hot combing the hair, we're hot combing the roots, okay? You don't want to hot comb throughout the hair because you don't want to mess up the curls. So just strictly touch the roots only, okay? That's what we're doing. You want to work on one section at a time, okay? Now, you want to go ahead and cut the lace, okay? You can pick a side, and you want to cut in a zigzag motion. Just take a look at my scissors so you can know what a zigzag motion is. Once I cut my lace, I did go in with some holding spray just to lay on top of the lace, because as I was cutting the lace, there was some pieces that I left. So I just want to make sure it does get secured down. Then I'm going to put on my edge wrap, and I'm going to blow dry the actual perimeter. Okay, once you finish blow drying it, you want to go ahead and start finger combing the hair. Okay, I forgot my brush. I'm always forgetting something. Okay, so I have to go grab my brush. Well, I actually look for a comb, a wide tooth comb, but I just use my fingers, so you want to go ahead and finger comb it first, okay? Finger comb it first, okay? Then you want to go ahead and brush it. So after you finger comb it, you want to brush it. This is a paddle brush, I believe. But you want to go ahead and brush it, okay? Just brush it from the root and then go down to the ends, okay? Once you finish one side and you like the way it looks, go ahead and move to the next side, okay? Start at the root and then just work your way down. The hair is in layers, so it's just gonna flow, okay? Like, it's gonna flow. It's gonna flow, okay? So now, once you feel like you brushed it out enough, you can go ahead and take off your edge wrap, okay? Now, this is the hair that fell out, that came out, okay? It was only a little bit of shedding. Hair does shed. It just depends on how much shedding, okay? Even your own hair sheds. Now, after you finish hot combing the perimeter, I did notice that the lace was not blending correctly. So I did go back in with some of the lace tint on a makeup brush, and I just put it on top of the lace, okay? It did help a little bit after I hot combed it back. You will see that. I did hot comb it, and it did start to blend, but I wanted it to blend just a little bit more. See, it does blend a little bit, but I wanted it to blend a little bit more. So I went in with the color Hazelnut. I do not know the brand on the top of my head, but I will link it down below. That's the foundation, okay, that I currently have on my face at the moment. But I did put that on, and it looked great, okay? Now, I know on camera it may look just a little bit light, but I do have my ring light on, okay? And ring light can mess up with the lighting, but I do have a mirror in front of me, and it does actually blend. Okay, now I am just straightening up my parts because I want to define my part. Now, we're not going to pluck the actual part because it is a synthetic wig, and you don't have to do too much, okay? You can still make a synthetic wig look amazing without doing anything to it, okay? So what we're going to do is, instead of plucking, we're just going to put some makeup on the actual part. But before we put the makeup on, you want to make sure that you hot comb the actual roots, because you want to get it as flat as possible that you can, because again, it is a synthetic wig, okay? Now we are going in with the LA Pro Girl, I believe it's called, but I do know the color is Fawn, okay? Now I am just going to put that on my part, and as you can see, when I am putting on my part, it is blending, okay? So I'm just going to put that on my part in a straight line because we want a straight part. After I put that on, I am going to blow dry it because I want to make sure it gets stuck, okay? I don't really want it to move. So I'm just going to blow dry it for some time. After that, we're done. This is the final look. We're just going to go ahead and brush it again. We don't have to do anything else to it. This is how it looks. You're really just brushing the hair or finger combing the hair how you want it positioned, okay? That's what we're doing. Look at that flow. Look at that flow. Look at that angle. Look at that angle. Look at that angle. Like, you can't even tell that it's synthetic. You see, like, it looks like human hair, like just some luxury, the best hair, you see, but it's synthetic. It's synthetic. It was $40, like $40, maybe $43 with tax, but it was $42, okay? But this is how it looks, and I think it looks amazing. Now, you can always go back in and pluck the hairline if you want, but why do all that? You know, why do all that? You can make it work. Like, you can't tell me that this is a synthetic wig. Ooh, look at that. Looking like water. Looking like water. But this is how it looks, okay? This is how it looks. I'm just, you know, finger combing it, you know, until I like the way it looks. But that's all that you're doing, okay? Yeah. Up close and personal. Yeah. Now, I am going to put some alcohol because I just want to get all residue off. I did see like some shiny parts, but that was from the holding spray, okay? That was still left, okay? You can always go back in and put some foundation or concealer back where you put the actual alcohol. But this is how it looks. Now, if you are not subscribed to me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I am coming to you and I am going to slay a lot of synthetic wigs. Look at that. Look at that. It's so full. It's so full. You can't tell me that's not a $600 wig, okay? This is a $600 wig for $42, okay? But make sure you subscribe, because I'm coming with all the synthetic looks, okay? You don't always have to spend $1,600. But don't get me wrong, there are many benefits when it comes to human hair that does cost a lot of money, okay? Trust me, there is, okay? Vendors' wholesale prices are very, very, very expensive. But what I'm realizing is these synthetic wigs can give you the same look. They might not last as long, but you can still get a great look. And that is what my main focus is right now, okay? Right now, I'm just showing you a different style. I am just going to go ahead and add some baby hair. So I did cut it, okay? I personally like it better without the baby hairs. Y'all tell me, do you like the baby hair or no baby hair? Comment down below, baby hair or no baby hair. But it still look good even with the baby hair. You can't tell me this is not human hair. It really looks like water. It looks like water. Just look how it flows. Ooh, just look how it flows. I really love it. I really love it. But this is how it looks, okay? This is my first synthetic wig. And like I said, I'm coming for all the synthetic looks, okay? I'm coming for the synthetic looks, okay? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, okay, girl. But Iamdejahair here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, and comment down below any future videos that you would like to see from me. Thank you so much for watching my video.